Today I'm spending some quiet time with my Hawaiian Pothos. She's been showing a few brown spots and a yellow halo on some leaves. So I'm giving her a gentle trim and preparing her for a fresh soil mix. These spots usually mean early fungal leaf spot or moisture stress. I'm still learning, so I'm sharing my real plant care journey with you. I'm starting by removing the leaves with brown spots and yellow halos. These are the ones that can spread, so it's better to take them off completely. I'm using regular scissors today. They make clean cuts, and that's what matters. I flushed her soil a few days ago, so it's still a little moist. I'm letting it dry fully before repotting because dry soil makes the process easier and healthier for the roots. Once the soil is dry, I'll repot her using Pro Mix indoor potting soil with a handful of perlite for extra airflow. This mix keeps the roots breathing and helps prevent future spotting. Thank you for spending this calm plant care moment with me. I'm learning as I go, and I'm grateful you're here with me on this journey.